बौद्धिक मालमत्ता अधिकार विशयाचेर 2 दिसांचो क्षमता निर्माण कार्यक्रम गोंय विद्यापीठांत आयोजीत केल्लो. 26 आनी 27 सप्टेंबर दिसा हो 2 दिसांचो कार्यक्रम आसा. RDX गोवा खातीर ताळगांवच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
Creations of mind can vary in its form, from a brilliant thought to a gizmo gadget to a popular fiction. All come under the legal term called intellectual property. In the world of upheaval technology, where information on anything and everything is freely available and accessible, guarding these intellectual properties legally becomes a prerequisite. To deliberate on this emerging subject, the Goa State Council of Science and Technology, in association with the Intellectual Property Rights Cell of Goa University, catalyzed and supported by Technology Information Forecasting and Assessment Council, known as TIFAC, of DST, Government of India, Patent Facilitation Center of TDT, Directorate of Science and Technology, Government of India, and Department of Science and Technology, Government of Goa has organized a 2-day capacity building program on intellectual property rights.
Concomitantly, this knowledge is being used to design and implement applications that seek the greater ease of human life and that attempt to solve at least some of the problems afflicting mankind. Since the success of these efforts is primarily dependent on the results of research, one may consider data, information and knowledge to be oil and gold of modern times. While it is essential that the fruits of research are passed on to society, it is also necessary that the interests of the researcher are adequately protected and that he or she is accorded both due recognition for his or her efforts and commensurate rewards for the same.
That the intellectual property aspects and the interest of the citizens of Goan citizens will be taken care through not only protecting their intellectual property rights, but using intellectual property rights or intellectual property in a public domain, because now we have to think from both directions, not only protecting our own intellectual property rights, but can we make use of intellectual property which is lying in a public domain for good of our society. And that's the main motto of the intellectual property system around.
Dr. Panwar mentioned that there was a person called Mr. Sachin Tendulkar who was leading this team. Now I have told Goa State Council for Science and Technology that you have to live by the example of Sachin Tendulkar. With limited balls, you have to score greater runs. We have a long task ahead, sir. In fact, last from 2015, we are on this job.
Of the Government of India. TIFAC is an autonomous agency of the Department of Science and Technology. And is really, in a very real sense, the technology think tank of the Government of India. And it has really been silently behind the scenes playing this role for a very long time. Under the leadership of Dr. Abdul Kalam, before he became President of the Republic, TIFAC had launched the Technology Vision 2020 exercise, which was extremely successful. And then later on, under the leadership of Dr. Anil Kakodkar, himself, of course, someone who we in our state know extremely well. TIFAC had embarked on the Technology Vision 2035 exercise. I myself had a role in that, as Dr. Panwar has indicated. But TIFAC has done a lot of other work besides Technology Vision. It's played a major role in terms of empowerment of our women scientists. And I'm glad to see someone from the very first batch here. Over the years, it's amazing how often when you meet